In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to make $300 per day. Alright, and what we're going to be doing to earn this $300 is that we're going to be reading email. Don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip any part, you won't understand how to neutralize this method to earn even more than $300 per day, because I'm going to be showing you a bonus tip, alright, to even earn more on this platform I'm about to show you. So the name of this platform is called Alright, welcome back everybody into today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to make $300 on the internet simply by reading email. New to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do create videos like this to show people how to make money on the internet. So if you subscribe to my channel now, click that subscribe button right down there, and also click that notification bell button. I will notify you each time when I release brand new video like this one you're about to watch. And if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I will go through it and also reply to your question as soon as I read your comment. And if you like this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video. And if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you pro tip, okay? That will be a bonus for you to even earn more than $300 per day on this platform I'm about to show you. The platform I'm going to show you, the name is Vindale.com, okay? Vindale.com. You will see the name on the screen now, okay? It's up here left. All right, this platform is a very cool platform, and what I like in them is that they are legit and they have also proofs that they are legit. Okay, in short, I'll be showing you all the proof that this platform are legit. Okay, first thing you want to do is that after reading email, after getting paid, you can withdraw your money with paper. One thing I like about this platform is that you get recash. All right, you get recash, not like the other platform where you're going to get points and you can extend the points for money. Okay, but in this platform you're going to have direct cash. Okay, just to show you or prove, Vindale members have earned more than $7 million. This money, like I say, you can withdraw with your PayPal account, and I think they also accept direct payment. All right, so you just need to contact the support center and ask if they can send a bank transfer, okay, to you. So to sign up on this platform now, you want to go to sign up here up, and as you see here, they write that you get paid to take surveys. So they have also surveys, but we're not going to base on that now. We're going to base on the email. Wait to the end of this video. Don't skip any part. I'm going to also show you how you can make more money doing little surveys. So to sign up, you just want to go up here and click on sign up. Then it's going to take you to this page here, which writes, as you say, congratulations, you are one step closer to get paid for your opinion. All right, so this is for the surveys. For example, what you can earn for the surveys, what you should be expecting. So this is surveys on healthcare. For 55 minutes you earn $25, and for beverage preference survey you earn $5 for 35 minutes, and so on and so forth. So to sign up, you just want to go here and enter your real email address, okay, and the first name and the last name and your address, okay, and the country where you come from, date of birth, your gender, and your ethnicity, and create password. Okay, you're going to confirm your password again, and you have to click this small box where it writes yes, I have read and agree the terms of private policy. So if you want to read it, you just need to click on this private policy and terms, so you can go through the terms and private policy. Now after reading that, you can come back here and click this box here, okay, and then you go to continue. Also, they're going to be sending you a verification code onto your email. That's why it's very important that you give them your real email address, okay, I mean your correct email address. So because that's why they're going to be sending you a verification, and after verifying, you are now eligible to use this platform. All right, So there's one tip I'm going to be showing you, okay, because this platform pays high money to country like USA, Canada, and Australia. So this is my number one first pro tip I'm going to give you, is that you want to try and install VPN on your computer. So VPN means Visual Private Network. All right, you want to go to Google. This is not a tutorial on how to download the VPN. So you go to your Google search and search for how to download free VPN. Okay, this is what you're going to download on your computer, and this is why you want to download it. You want to download it so this will not make it to show which country you come from. All right, so the second pro tip I'm going to give you is that you cannot go to Google and, for example, when you want to choose an address, before you sign up, before you fill up this form, you need to choose an address, for example, in Canada. Okay, so to get the most money, okay, to get email that pays more money, so you want to go to Google and look for Canadian address. All right, so for example, you're going to put here a Canadian street address here, all right, and the apartment, okay, and the zip code. All this you can get it from Google Map. All right, and then you fill your name and fill all the other part of the form, and then you submit your form and you're going to get verified. So that is pro tip number 2. And now let's go to see how we can earn money on this platform. There are many different ways to earn money on this platform. Okay, so this is the pro tip number 3. You can refer your friend and get also $5 for every friend you refer. Okay, you can go to Facebook and refer friends. Just send them your link. Okay, you get a referral link, and this link, when your friends click on it, you will get $5 paid. All right, not points. You're gonna get $5 paid to you. This is worldwide free. You can do it no matter where you come from in this world. Okay, all you need to do is to just sign in with this pro tip I'm giving you to make you earn more money. Yeah, so now let's go to the next step, where we're really based on, okay, you earn cash for every emails you open. Let me really quick show you some of the category you want to go to. You want to go to shopping and fashion. Okay, this you can get more paid email. Okay, you can also try all the other topics. It depends on what topics you're good in and what you have fun doing. All right, so I will recommend you use this shopping and fashion. All right, because then you get a shopping email advert. The more advert you get, the more money you get. All right, so this is one way to earn money on this platform. All right, earn cash for every email you open. My tip is that you want to open the email. When they send it to your email address, you want to open it. It's going to be an advert. You want to open it, and after that, you can just write them back that, yeah, you received the email, that you like it, and something like that, so they can know that you receive this email and also read it, and you will get payment. You get your pay turned into your account. All right, so also another way to earn money on this platform, you can watch paid video and give feedback. So this kind of feedback is very simple. Okay, you can just watch the video. If you don't like it, you can just say you don't like it. Okay, it's bored, for example. All right, or it's boring, or it's no type, or you love the video and you give it a thumbs up. Such a thing like how you're going to give this video also thumbs up. Okay, you can just give them a feedback about the video, how you like it or how you don't like it. All right, so that is it. And this is the third part to also earn money with this platform, is also getting paid to answer online surveys. Yeah, you can get paid for doing surveys on this platform also. So it depends. For example, like when you follow the tip I show you, so they pay more surveys for people coming from America, Canada, and Australia. So that's why it's very important to follow the tips I give you, so you can earn the most money on this platform. All right, let's look at this surveys example. This is how the surveys example look like. Okay, as you can see here, earn $10 for surveys that needs also 35 minutes, for example. Okay, $1 for a survey that only need 10 minutes. Okay, or $3.50 for a survey that need 17 minutes. Okay, they may write 17 minutes here, but you might even be faster. It depends on how interesting is the survey for you, and what part are you good in. Okay, like I show you here, it depends on what topics you're good in. If you're good in sports, if you're good in fashion and shopping and fashion, so you can just go and try everything and see what you're good in. Okay, so this will, and then you can get more paid surveys, right? Like you see here, $14.60 for a survey that need 60 minutes. All right, so that is how it goes. You can see here also $11 for a survey that only need 6 minutes. So that's how you can earn money on this platform. All right, if you know you get much value on this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you know that this method what you're seeing now, it's not your type, because you need to be doing actions on this platform to earn money. So if you don't do any action, you're not going to earn any money. So if you want me to show you another way to earn money on the internet as a new beginner, okay, a very simple way to earn money, so make sure you click on the link down below in my description. That will be my #1 recommendation for you guys. Okay, put in your email address and I will send you all the details to your inbox, okay, on how to make money online even as a new beginner with no skills. I'm doing $10 PayPal giveaway. It is still rolling, so you see on the screen what you need to do to enter this contest, because this contest is still rolling. Okay, soon I'll pick the winner and I will announce it on my video, okay, on one of my videos coming soon. So make sure you enter this contest, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I create videos like this that show people how to make money online. So click the subscribe button and also click that notification button. I will send you an update each time when I create new videos like this. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I will also leave on the screen another video for you guys where I show you another ways and another strategies to earn money on the internet. So make sure you watch that, and I will see you there.